Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple habits that can improve your health in powerful ways. Today's topic is something very simple. Lemon water. Just water. Just lemon. Yet millions of people drink it every morning. Why? What does it actually do inside your body? Let's begin with the basics. Lemon contains vitamin C. This nutrient supports your immune system. It helps your body respond to daily stress. It also plays a role in skin health. Your body uses it to maintain a fresh appearance. Then comes hydration. After sleep, your body becomes slightly dehydrated. Drinking water in the morning helps restore balance. Adding lemon makes it more refreshing. This may encourage consistency. Another important effect is digestion. Lemon water may stimulate your digestive system. It prepares your body for food. Some people feel lighter after drinking it. But here is something important. Lemon water does not detox your body in a magical way. Your liver already performs detoxification. This drink simply supports normal processes. Now let's talk about possible benefits. Regular use may help improve hydration habits. It may support mild digestion. It may contribute to vitamin intake. But results depend on consistency. Now the other side. Lemon is acidic. Frequent exposure may affect tooth enamel. This can lead to sensitivity. Another point is stomach reaction. Some people may feel discomfort, especially if they have sensitive digestion. So what is the correct way? Use warm water. Not too hot. Not too cold. Drink it in the morning. Before food. Use moderate lemon amount. Not excessive. You may also rinse your mouth after. This helps protect your teeth. Now here is the truth. Lemon water is not a miracle solution. It will not transform your body overnight. But it can become a useful habit. A small step. That supports bigger changes. Because health is built from simple routines. Repeated every day. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support helps us continue sharing valuable content. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay fresh. Take care.